There's Elton McFall here, your automotive classic car nut job fanatic, obsessive, and even in certain regards, you hear that? That's the most annoying and useless invention ever made. Right when I start to do the video. Useless. Did you guys ever hear of a car alarm actually preventing a theft? No. They're stupid. Anyway, enough of that negativity. Let's bask in the Canadian glory. There goes my friend Michel with his 65 Cadillac. Where's Nick now? We're about to leave, but it's hard to leave this place. See, I can't leave. There's always something I have to document, I have to record. And a lot of people be like, oh, it's a four-door, da, 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 da. Not me. This is part of a Canadian glorious past in automotive manufacturing. The Canadian unique version of the Fairlane. And Meteors were made here in Canada for Canadians from 1947 to 1970s actually. Of course, by the 1970s, the Meteor was really a Mercury marquee. We have here, oh, look at that, Simon Saint-Jérôme. Look at the beautiful gold here on the V. So this is either powered by, probably more likely than anything, a 272 V8. 312 would have been more common in a Fairlane in the States. Look at the lock cover here. I think I might have taken a picture of this car 25 years ago. I don't know, there was one I took a picture of and it was exactly like this, but it was like more of a sky blue. And incidentally, actually I had a friend who had the same car. It was a boy, it's a good thing I got a wide angle lens on this camera. And you see, this is a perfect example of why more than ever Americans are interested in their old Canadian cars. A lot of them think it's just Mickey Mouse. They don't take them seriously. They're not American. But a lot of Americans are more interested in these cars because they know how rare they are. They know they're different. Meteor, Monarch, Dodge Regent, Mayfair, Pontiac Laurentian, Strategy, etc. You know? It's interesting. Somebody wrote that it was a Mercury model. What a beautiful car. Oh my god. I mean, here's your crest here. And look, even the hubcaps were similar, but they're not exactly the same. They have supposed to have a star. Yeah, there's the Meteor star right there. I've known about this stuff since I was a kid in my formative years. As we say in French, ça c'est du char. Es-tu à vous, monsieur? Et vous avez du bon goût. Merci d'avoir amené ça. J'étais pour partir avec mon ami. J'ai dit, hey, j'ai pas filmé un char canadien encore cette année. Puis, parce que moi, malgré mon âge, j'étais un maniaque de voitures anciennes, de tous les genres, spécialement américaines, mais les chars canadiens, comme tu sais, c'est très rare. Même que j'ai vu un ami avant qui vient de partir, j'ai dit, hey, je cherche toujours un monsieur, il connaît, c'est un gars qui a un Monarch 61. Très, très rare. Deux porteurs top, noir, rouge intérieur. Je le vois tout le temps dans les photos depuis des années dans des shows. Je l'ai jamais vu. Mais un jour, je vais le croiser. Mais j'ai eu un ami qui en avait un identique à ça. Un Rideau 4 portes, sedan. Mais il était comme deux tons bleus. Mais lui, il était un peu comme... C'était pas tout là, le gars. Fait que là, je sais pas qu'est-ce qui est arrivé. Il était dans le coin de Verdun à Montréal. Puis il avait mis le char sur des blocs. I don't know, man. I don't know. I hope the car is okay, j'espère. Mais... Hey, merci encore d'avoir emmené ça. C'est dommage qu'il y ait... Pourquoi ils ont mis toute cette maudite clôture ici? J'ai jamais de plainte avec Granby, mais ça, je comprends pas ça. Look at that Ford. That's amazing. Okay, it's time to go. I'm sorry, guys. Time to go. Nick is there. He's like, he can't wait to get the F out of here. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.